Let's see what. Let's see what happens next. Let's see what you've got. Let's see what the future holds. Let's see what the problem is. Let's see what we can do about it. Is there a problem? Is there anything I can do to help? Is there someone who can assist you? Is there a better way to approach this? Is there a deadline for this task? This is the latest. This is the latest news on the situation. This is the latest version of the software. This is the latest trend in fashion. This is the latest update to the policy. This is the latest model of the car. What is like? What is the weather like today? What is the food like at that restaurant? What is the culture like in that country? What is the work environment like at your company? What is your new boss like? Did you leave the keys on the table? Did you leave your phone charger at my place? Did you leave the meeting early yesterday? Did you leave a message for the manager? Did you leave the door unlocked?
Did you check your email this morning? Did you check the weather forecast for tomorrow? Did you check the expiry date on the milk? Did you check the spelling before sending the message? Did you check if the restaurant takes reservations? What does look like? What does the new building look like? What does the dessert look like? What does your ideal vacation look like? What does success look like to you? What does the dress code look like for the event? Are you ready for the meeting? Are you ready for the weekend? Are you ready for the exam? Are you ready for the trip? Are you ready for the challenge? I'm nervous about the presentation tomorrow. I'm nervous about the flight next week. I'm nervous about meeting your parents. I'm nervous about the job interview on Friday. I'm nervous about the results of the test. I seldom go to the gym these days. I seldom eat fast food. I seldom watch TV in the morning. I seldom use my phone during meals. I seldom arrive late for appointments.